Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to Baby Got Scraps, a scrappy, inspirational YouTube and Instagram hop. The whole idea of this hop is to use your scraps. Only one 12 by 12 piece of paper, the rest scraps, or at least a smaller paper pad. This first piece of paper, it is from a Paper Studio paper pad that has like 180 sheets in it. Well, it did have when I got it, but I am going to use 3 sheets of paper out of that pad. And the last one I'm going to use for a tag, so I'm going to mount it on that cardstock laying there. That cardstock is Paper Studio too, but it's a natural finish, metallics, matte finish, something like that. Anyway, it is a metallic and it is copper, and that picture to the left there is a big penny. At least it looks big in the picture. And it's at the Lincoln Memorial. So I thought, well, I'll use copper with my layout. And that paper is really kind of on the thin side to use for a tag. So I am adhering it to the cardstock, and I am going to do a little fussy cutting around it. And somehow or another, I'm going to forget to put my reinforcer on there. I know there's a big enough scrap left to that to make one. So guess what I'll be doing after I finish the video? Yep, I'll be putting a reinforcer on there. And the tag is long. Dorothy's been doing that some lately. So I seen it, I liked it, I tried it, and yeah, I'm going to do it again. I thought about doing a banner, which was my first instinct, but I love banners, but you get tired of that every now and then. So I'm sure that's one reason she came up with the extra long tag. Well, that maybe, and the fact she usually journals quite a bit on her layouts, and I've seen her journal on her tags. I'm using my 1/8 inch corner rounder for each one of the photos and the mats too. My grandson took 3 photos while he was in there. So of course I'm going to want to put all 3 on here because they're different. And I do have a 3D Jolie's Boutique, I think it is, maybe it is, uh, reproduction kind of thing of Lincoln sitting in the chair. So I'm going to be using it on my layout because if I don't use it on this layout, it may never get used. And I put it on that picture with the penny. As soon as I touched it, it was stuck. So even though I thought about moving it a little bit, it's not going to move. It's not going to budge. I mean, it is stuck on there. You know how some stickers are, they don't hardly stick at all? Well, those ones that's with the United States map thing, those paper house ones, they're not sticking very good. So I had to put liquid glue behind them. But I cut that out so y'all wouldn't have to watch it. And I don't know if y'all noticed this, but instead of him taking a selfie, he had somebody else take the photo on this one. So I'm pretty proud of him. Of course, the selfies were working pretty fine. So I liked them too. But yeah, he had someone else take a picture of him in front of the statue. I pulled out my baggie. Well, it was a plastic container, but I could not get my iris container shut because I keep putting more in there. I'm running lower on pictures, but I keep putting more in there. I keep thinking of something else that might go. So anyway, I got the cut apart. Well, I don't know if they're cut aparts or not, but there was a whole sheet of Teresa Collins for travel. So I'm going to use a few of them on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 or 4. And yeah, I'm going to use them. And then those stickers there from Paper House. And I'm going to use almost all of them. I think there might be a couple left when I get done. But I'm going to use them. I'm going to put quite a bit on this one because the last layout I did, I didn't do much to it at all. And y'all know how much I like more. I pulled out my label punch, and that's EK Success. And I'm going to punch several out of there using that piece of paper from the paper pad. I really wanted to use the polka dot on the other side. I liked it the best, but It seemed a little immature for this layout, so I used the other side instead. Oh, and see that blue squeeze punch to the left? I had full intentions of using it and forgot. Yeah, it's just going to sit there. It's not going to get used. And I can't think of no place to use it on now either. So when I put that reinforcer on there, I won't be using that punch. Since he did have someone else take the photos, I thought I would be a little ornery and say picture perfect photos because he took most of them and did selfies. So I thought, well, I'm gonna put that on there, see if he says, oh, so you thought I didn't take good ones and you thought she did, because I know it was his friend that did it. I am using some foam tape in my clusters. Y'all know I like dimension and I like clusters a lot. But you will, if you'll notice, I've got some flowers tucked in there, and you will see them tucked in 3 other places because there was 4 little clusters of flowers in there with that Lincoln Memorial sticker. And I thought about saving them for the White House because it's on there too. But I thought how good it would look with Lincoln's memorial statue there. And it does. It looks really good. So then, of course, I had to use the rest of them on here. It's an even number, but that's okay. They look really good on here. I just wish there was more of them or they were bigger. But like that Lincoln Monument, I already mentioned how sticky it was. Those flowers are really sticky too. So wherever I put them, they really need to stay. But they are just so pretty. In the upper left-hand corner, I put a banner that just says United States. And the color that's in there is kind of reminds me of a soft gold. And there's that color in the stripes on the tag also. So I thought, well, if I use one more sticker or something that has it, then I've got it basically 3 places, although it is repeated in the tag. So I will have one that says One Nation up on the upper right hand corner. And so, yeah, I am still punching out labels to add to my layout. I didn't have a big enough piece to layer that tag One Nation in the copper, so I'm putting 2 together, and looking at it right now, you can't even tell it because I did it right there in the center. I can't tell it. I'm looking at it. So since I'm getting close to getting done, I want to make sure I point out down there below are links to all the other gals doing this hop Baby Got Scraps. So go down there and check out all the links and hop on over to their channel and see what they did with their scraps and get loads of inspiration to use yours. But yeah, I am just about done. I think I can't. Oh, I'm going to add something to that center cluster, an arrow, and move that star and one more little label. And I think that's it. I will be done. And I'm almost cleared out that sticker sheet. I think there's 2 stickers left on it when I get done. And that's pretty good. Not that it's ever a goal for me to empty out a sticker sheet or a paper pad or whatever. My goal is just to do the layout. So if that comes with it, then so be it. I like that because it means I've been working. But yeah, that's it. That's my layout. Be sure to check the links out below. And if you leave a comment, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, of course, I would love for you to subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But I've had a lot of fun getting these layouts ready for this hop and getting my grandson's album done too. So yeah, a month-long hop, it can really work out for me. And from what I understand, there's going to be another hop come March, the 30 Days of Sketches with Kristin. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'll probably be doing layouts of in January. But have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.